Hello, this is my reflection of webinar How to Motivate Learners in Online Learning Environment, Friday, May 22nd. The presenter was Ebba Osianilson, Moodle MOOC 6. Briefly about this webinar. This presentation was about experience of presenter in online learning environment and gave to all listener explanation about students' motivation for online learning and directions how to motivate them. Also, presenter on very nice way spoke about success indicators, importance of institutions in students' motivation, and different types of support distance learning. Yes, I was connected with other attendees by chat, but I wasn't so active because my attention was on the presentation. In first time, I thought that for motivation of students are enough well-designed courses, but further explanation bring up questions about capabilities of students to adopt in online learning environments and our position and teachers in the process of students adoption. As teacher, I'm very interested for e-learning, and these days I'm preparing the first online course for my students, and the motivation of students for e-learning is very interesting and important for me. Many thoughts went through my mind as a result of presentation. One was necessity of changing learning environment as a result of increasing requests for mobility and freedom, as well as digital native young generation. Presence of different devices and internet are prerequisites for e-learning, but both resources are widely available. Next was opportunity of e-learning to share our ideas without borders, and I think about different preferences of students, about kinds of communication, and how to adopt e-learning according that. I felt very nice because I thought about my future mission as professor and teacher in e-learning environment. But also maybe I felt discomfort when I thought about huge knowledge which I must learn. About challenges, I think that biggest challenge is motivation of students and maybe how engage them in e-learning in learning environment. And this is the reason why I made a reflection on this subject or this webinar. Steps which I can do to motivate students are well-designed courses, encouragement to the students, monitoring of progress, and including success indicators. According with advice in presentation, I would like to check my students' digital literacy through evaluation about how students accept the e-learning environment and help if they have a problem. The question which I would like to research in future is ready of my institution to make some efforts in the aim to motivate students for e-learning environment. Thank you for attention. Thank you for a very nice webinar and a nice subject, and also for course, of course. Thank you.